To make your own marble planet, you'll need a tray or a dish, shaving foam, food colouring, a stick or something to swirl the colours with, card to print onto, and pieces of cardboard to scrape off the excess shaving foam. To make it into a tree decoration, you'll need scissors, pipe cleaners or string, and tape. Spray shaving foam onto your tray and spread it out so it's an even layer. Drop in some food colouring. Swirl the colours around with your stick. Place your card on top and press down gently. Lift and scrape off the excess shaving foam and leave it to dry. To turn your marble design into a planet decoration, cut out a circle. Loop your string or your pipe cleaner and tape it to the back. And finally, hang it on your tree. I tried to replicate the blue marble image of Earth taken by the Apollo 17 astronauts in 1972 on their way to the Moon. It was taken 18,000 miles from Earth and it's one of the most reproduced images in history.